Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix iOS 26 battery drain on iPhone. So to do that, there is multiple ways like we can do it. The first one is like you just have to give iOS 26 a few days after updating, because after the update, iOS will continue indexing your files and updating apps and also completing other tasks on the background. So that's why Apple recommends waiting a few days before judging the battery life, so you can wait for 2 or 3 days. But if you still feel like your battery is draining, you have to first of all check which app is using more of your battery, and to do that you have to go to settings, battery, and after that go check here the applications. And if you find an application that you don't use usually but it's draining your battery or using a lot of your battery, you can just not use it again or delete that app. And here you can see the apps that are using my battery, and you will find them also on your phone. And if it's yellow, that means the percentage is yellow, that means that this app is using a significant percentage of the charge of your phone, more than usually. And after that you have to, if you want to save your battery or save more time for your battery, you can activate the low power mode. It's also in battery, the low power mode. And as you can see, when you turn on the low power mode, the icon of your battery on the top right of the screen will change to the yellow color. So usually it's black for me. So another thing that you can do is to just reduce display and network battery usage. To do that, you have just to go to display and brightness and turn on the true tone if it's not activated on your phone, because with true tone it will adapt the light of your screen depending on the place where you are located. So for example, if you are located in in a sunny place, it will try to make your screen more bright. If you are in a dark place, it will make it, for example, less bright, and things like that. So it will try to adapt your screen depending on the place where you are located. And also another important thing that you have to do is if you are using 5G, so 5G technology use a lot of electricity and a lot of your battery. So you can go to cellular, and after that go to the SIM card where you have the internet, and put it on 4G, not 5G. Only if you want to use 5G, but like I told you, 5G use a lot of energy from your battery, so it's better to use 4G. It's also fast, and you can save a little bit of capacity from your battery. Another important thing that you have to do is to check your battery health, and you have to go to battery and go to battery health. And for example, as you can see, the battery health of my phone is normal. That means my phone is good, is okay, the battery is still good. I may need to change it after 4, 5, or 6 months, but now the battery is good. But if you find in the battery health that the health of your battery needs you to go to change it, you have to change your battery, because in that case the problem with your battery and not with the iOS 26 or iOS 27, or no matter which type of iOS you are using. And also, if the maximum capacity of your battery will go below 80%, you have to start thinking about changing your battery. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.